Okay, my very first thing, what I'm going to do here is I am going to take inventory of everything. So I've got 1 aluminum, I've got 3 bromines, I've got 2 potassiums, and I'm doing the whole molecule of SO4. You can break them down into S and to O. You'll get the same answer. But because I have it on an SO4 on this side and an SO4 on this side, I can just keep it as a molecule. If that's more confusing for you, then don't do it. But that's how I'm going to do it for this one. And so my entire molecule of SO4, I have 1. On this side, I have 1 K. I have 1 Br. I have 2 aluminums. And I have 3 SO4s. My first thought here is I always like to start with the most complicated looking one. In this case, it seems to be this one. So I have 3 SO4s here, so I'm going to need at least 3 on this side. Right, so here's my SO4. Right now I have 1 SO4, and now I have 3. So let me update. So that now takes me on my, do that so I don't get confused. So on my reactant side, that now gives me 6 potassiums, 3 SO4s, and cool. So let's see, where do I stand now? So my SO4s look pretty good for now. My potassiums don't look good, and my bromines don't look great, and my aluminums are also off. So I'm going to change my aluminums now. Again, I want to try and save this one for last because it looks to be the least complex. All right, so now I have 2 aluminums, but I have 6 bromines. Great, so that looks good. This is off, and this is off. Now, what can I do to get my potassium from 1 to 6? That's 6. Update it. 6 times 1, so 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So that worked out nicely, and I am now done. I'm going to fill this in with a 1 for no other reason. I don't have to.